Hi guys, a very good morning. Welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network, and my name is Ronald Wekwamakusha. This morning, let us talk about a very sensitive story from Nyanga, a very sad story from Nyanga, Team Zimbabwe. Murume akauraya mwanasikana wake ane 14 years nekuda kwekumpa mhosva yekuti akanga achidanana naneighbor kana kuti nemuvakidzani. This is the story which is right here onto the screen, a very sad story which recently happened. So, according to the Herald, they say a man in Nyanga has been arrested on allegations of fatally assaulting his daughter after accusing her of having an affair with a neighbor last Friday. The suspect, Amos Rutendo Nyamangondo, allegedly assaulted his daughter with a mulberry tree switch over her body, and she died a few days later. National Police spokesperson Assistant Commissioner Paul Nyati confirmed the incident. In Nyanga, we've arrested Amos Rutendo Nyamangondo in connection with the case of murder in which his daughter Rufaro Nyamangondo, aged 14, died on December 29, 2023, after allegedly being hit with a mulberry tree switch all over the body on 23 December 2023 at Mangwana Village, Mutasa, Bonde Valley. The suspect had allegedly accused the victim of having an affair with a neighbor, he said. In another incident, police in Chipinge have arrested a suspected mental patient, Benjamin Stone, 28, in connection with a case of murder in which Agnes Gauke, 3 years, died after being struck with a hoe on the head at Mwatsaka village, Mutema, on December 30, 2023. The victim's mother, 20, had refused to give the suspect some vegetables. Meanwhile, the police in Bulawayo are appealing for information that may assist in the investigation of a case of murder in which John Sitole, 73, was found dead with a deep cut on the head at a maize field behind a clothing factory in Donington on December 29, 2023. A blood-stained hoe was recovered at the scene, and with the information to report at any nearest police station. But our main matter of interest is that one of Amos Rutendo Nyamangondo of Nyanga. So it said Team Zimbabwe kuti zviri this daughter had an affair with a neighbor, and we are yet to receive actual full details. Kuti, who was this neighbor? How old was this neighbor? Were they in a relationship, or what was really happening? So we need to hear if the police will get further details regarding this issue, if they will further elaborate about this report. But it said Team Zimbabwe that we lost life just like that. So those are really Munyika, Zimbabwe. So 2024, we are giving you latest trending news in the nation of Zimbabwe without fear, without favor, and we are going to be doing it all day, 24/7, so that we keep you